What are you doing? What you doing, Pooper?
And unlike some fabric refreshers, Lysol Fabric Mist actually kills bacteria that cause these odors.
Peekaboo!
Not only smell fresh, but fresh.
Tickle, tickle.
Mist, a fresh new way to eliminate odors.
Oh, kick yes.
It's from Lisa.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Peekaboo? What do you mean peekaboo? Who's peekabooing at you? Huh? Are you a little pooper? Come here. Come over here. What are you doing? Huh? You the movie star? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, look at you. Little smarty pants. Are you posing? Peekaboo. Are you stuck on peekaboos? Uh-huh. Are you? What you doing? Peekaboo. Who's that? Who's here? Huh? Is that Granny? Say hello. Hi, buddy. Say hi, buddy. What's you doing, Pooper? Huh? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. What you doing? Are you silly? Cat got your tongue?
While digging for a field for evidence related to the band of brothers.
Goofy. Eh? Are you goofy? Can you be nice? Want itchy scratch, huh? Oh. Itchy scratch. Come here. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Uh-huh. Oh, come on. You my little pooper. Oh, baby pooper. Oh, you like itchy scratches. Not right now. Hey, are you trying to make a movie? What are you doing? Give you a kiss. Kiss. Give me a kiss. Can you give me a kiss? No, give me a kiss. I love you. I love you, buddy. I love you, buddy. Don't have anything to say?
With the help of explosives expert Phil Shuttleworth, we soon find our answer.
What are you doing? What you doing, Pooper?
That looks like he's from the hospital. Yeah, it seems as though it's got a last tube inside.
Trying to figure out how to turn it around. Eh? Boom. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. What are you doing, Pooper? Boo! What are you gonna say? Huh? Peekaboo! 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 What are you doing? Goofy. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You got a kiss, kiss, kiss? Give me a kiss. Come on. Come on. Give me a kiss. Oh, kiss. Come on. Come on, give me a kiss. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You say, give me a kiss. Come on, you give me a kiss. Here, give me a kiss. Aw, what a little pooper. Aw. Are you the baby? I'm the baby, gotta love me.